Part 1. Enter into editing mode. In order to customize quick actions, you need to open it in editing mode. Press the Windows logo key plus I to open the Settings app, navigate to System to Notifications and Actions. On the right, click the Edit Your Quick Actions option. The quick actions in the Action Center panel will appear in editable mode. Another quick way to access the editing mode is to right-click any empty space in the Action Center panel and select Edit from the pop-up menu. Part 2. Remove Quick Actions buttons. Simply click the pin icon displayed in the upper right corner of any Quick Actions button, and you can remove it from the Action Center. Part 3. Add Quick Actions buttons. Click the Add button at the bottom and it will display all hidden quick actions. Select your desired quick action and add its button to the Action Center panel immediately. Part 4. Rearrange Quick Actions buttons. To rearrange the quick actions, you can drag any of the quick action buttons and drop it to your desired position. When everything is done, click the Done button at the bottom to save your changes.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.